Cruiser motorcycles are known for their heaviness and low-slung design, but what truly excites riders is the torque produced by their V-twin engines, particularly in Harley-Davidson and Indian models. This characteristic roar and robust low RPM torque curves compensate for their weight and limited top speed, making cruisers ideal for both short urban rides and long highway trips. If you're wondering which cruisers offer a lot of torque at a reasonable price, the following list highlights the most affordable options with over 100 pound-feet of torque. Interestingly, the least expensive motorcycle on this list does not come from either of the two well-known American brands. In today's video, we'll talk about top 10 best cruiser motorcycles over 100 pound-feet of torque. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Number 10. Indian Chief. The Indian Chief exudes vintage charm and tradition. Thanks to the legendary Thunderstroke 111 V-twin, it looks and rumbles like the vintage part. It should come as no surprise that this engine is a direct competitor of the renowned Harley-Davidson Milwaukee 8. This Indian cruiser is a traditional yet sporty representation of true blue American strength. Together with the torquey V-twin, the low seat height, comfortable yet slightly devoted riding stance, and extended wheelbase create a vintage and visceral package. Indian Motorcycle does not disclose the Thunderbird V-twin's power rating, but we do know that it is more over 100 pound-feet of torque. The Indian Chief is priced at $15,000 and is equipped with a V-twin, air-cooled engine with a displacement of 1,811 cc. It generates approximately 80 horsepower and 108 pound-feet of torque, coupled with a 6-speed transmission. The motorcycle has a curb weight of 670 pounds. Number 9. Harley-Davidson Softtail Standard. This Harley-Davidson cruiser, which has more than 100 pound-feet of torque, is the most reasonably priced. The Softtail Standard promotes vintage charm and vintage air-cooled V-twin growl. It is excellent for novices, reasonably priced, and has a straightforward design. Because of all of that, it is a well-rounded cruiser with a strong penchant for outrageous customization. With a modest 87 horsepower and 110 pound-feet of torque, it is propelled by the venerable Milwaukee 8 107 V-twin. However, the Softtail Standard, which weighs the same as the Street Bob 114, excels in terms of power-to-weight ratio. The Softtail's affordability counterbalances the Bob's larger engine, which produces more power and torque. The Harley-Davidson Softtail Standard is priced at $15,000 and features a V-twin, air-cooled engine with a displacement of 1,753 cc. It produces 87 horsepower and 110 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 6-speed transmission. The motorcycle has a curb weight of 655 pounds. Number 8. BMW R18. We are aware that you were hoping to see an Indian motorcycle or a Harley-Davidson here. BMW defied convention, though, by providing the most reasonably priced cruiser motorbike with more than 100 pound-feet. In contrast to the American cruisers, which have a rich history, the BMW R18 is a brand new model that was introduced in 2020. The largest boxer twin ever used to power a motorcycle powers it. Here, everything is done the old-fashioned way, with two 48mm throttle bodies handling the induction and a pushrod valve train controlling 4 overhead poppets on each head. The BMW R18 is priced at $15,000 and features a boxer twin air oil-cooled engine with a displacement of 1,802 cc. It produces 91 horsepower and 116 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 6-speed transmission. The motorcycle has a curb weight of 761 pounds. Number 7. Suzuki Boulevard 109R. The only metric cruiser in 2024 that can handle the OG's outrageous drama and powerful torque ratings is this one. The Suzuki M109R metric cruiser is the elephant in the room with the largest curb weight, but its engine still manages to pull hard. Given that it only has 5 gears, the Boulevard does have trouble reaching its maximum speed. But this hefty hitter excels at acceleration. At just 3,200 revolutions per minute, the 54-degree V-twin generates its maximum torque. Its massive 56mm dual-throttle valve system converts fuel and air into performance that makes you smile. The Suzuki Boulevard M109R is priced at $15,800 and features a V-twin liquid-cooled engine with a displacement of 1,783 cc. It delivers 128 horsepower and 118 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 5-speed transmission. The motorcycle has a curb weight of 764 pounds. Number 6. Harley-Davidson Fatboy 114. The Harley-Davidson Fatboy's legendary appearance beside Arnold Schwarzenegger in Terminator 2 has earned it a devoted cult following. The muscular appeal and timeless silhouette of the current generation model are still present. Even though it weighs over 700 pounds, its 119 pound-feet of output allows it to reach a top speed of roughly 115 miles per hour pretty rapidly. The limited edition Hydra-Glide shares this engine as well, but it is a certified hauler with all the amenities needed for a comfortable ride. Here, the Fatboy adopts a more athletic approach and features a lot more drama thanks to its steamroller tires and incredible customizability. The Harley-Davidson Fatboy 114 is priced at $22,000 and features a V-twin engine with air cooling and an engine displacement of 1,868 cc. It produces a power output of 94 horsepower and a torque of 119 pound-feet paired with a 6-speed transmission. The motorcycle has a curb weight of 699 pounds. Number 5. Harley-Davidson Street Bob 114. This Harley-Davidson's vintage appeal and simple design revolutionized factory bobbers. In fact, among American cruisers, the Street Bob's power-to-weight ratio is very remarkable. The same 114 V-twin that powers the 699-pound Fatboy powers this 655-pound Harley-Davidson. In addition to being lighter, the Street Bob has substantially more compact dimensions and ergonomics. As a result, it is a qualified sprinter with significantly more road capability that also incorporates WW2-era design elements. Another major plus in this case is affordability. The Harley-Davidson Street Bob 114 is priced at $17,000 and is equipped with a V-twin engine that features air cooling and an engine displacement of 1,868 cc. It produces 94 horsepower and 119 pound-feet of torque, utilizing a 6-speed transmission. The motorcycle has a curb weight of 655 pounds. Number 4. Indian Chief Dark Horse. An evil and technologically advanced version of the traditional Indian Chief family is the Chief Dark Horse. The well-known and renowned Thunderstroke 116 V-twin engine, which generates 120 pound-feet of torque, powers it. The Thunderstroke pair family's largest and most potent engine is this one. The 111 V-twin is the least potent. On paper, the 5 Q-inch jump in engine displacement is negligible. However, this also results in a lower peak torque RPM of 2,900 and a higher compression ratio of 11.01. A stylish round 4-inch TFT instrument cluster adds to its technological prowess. The rider can view real-time weather, traffic, bike health, and other aspects with this window, which also provides access to services like GPS navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and ride command. Overall, it's a good all-American cruise ship that anybody can love. The Indian Chief Dark Horse is priced at $18,500 and features a V-twin engine with air cooling and an engine displacement of 1,890 cc. It delivers approximately 90 horsepower and 120 pound-feet of torque paired with a 6-speed transmission. The motorcycle has a curb weight of 695 pounds. Number 3. Indian Sport Chief. Cruisers are typically thought of as being large and heavy. However, Indian Motorcycle accepted the task of transforming their famous Chief into a motorsports vehicle. The 2024 Indian Sport Chief, which uses the renowned Thunderstroke 116 engine with 122 pound-feet of torque, is the end result. The dynamic Indian Sport Chief combines the best features of both cruising and sports touring with a hungry vintage V-twin, a sporty stance, Fox shocks, and Brembo brakes. An intriguing fact. Although the Sport Chief and Chief Dark Horse share an engine, the Sport Chief's curb weight is 10 pounds lighter and it has 2 more pound-feet of torque. The Indian Sport Chief is priced at $20,000 and features a V-twin engine with air cooling and an engine displacement of 1,890 cc. It produces approximately 90 horsepower and a torque of 122 pound-feet paired with a 6-speed transmission. The motorcycle has a curb weight of 685 pounds. Number 2. Harley-Davidson Breakout 117. This showroom custom drag bike has a vintage vibe and is really powerful. Top of the muscular cruiser class, the Breakout's air-cooled 117 V-twin generates 123 pound-feet of torque. The torque of this gritty and noisy American cruiser peaks at barely 3,500 revolutions per minute, with a surge starting at 1,750 revolutions per minute. When Harley-Davidson applies a large 240 section 18-inch rear tire to transmit its powerful torque to the pavement, you know it's not easy. Oh, and don't be fooled by its weight of almost 680 pounds. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of less than 5 seconds, this gleaming time capsule is a true sprinter. The Harley-Davidson Breakout 117, priced at $22,500, features a V-twin engine with air oil cooling and an engine displacement of 1,923 cc. It delivers a power output of 101 horsepower and a torque of 123 pound-feet, coupled with a 6-speed transmission. The curb weight of the motorcycle is 683 pounds. Number 1. Harley-Davidson Low Rider S. The aforementioned Indian Sport Chief's worst enemy is the Low Rider S. Similar to the Indian, this Harley-Davidson blends sporty dynamics with vintage V-twin charm. With better torque and less curb weight, the Low Rider S actually has the advantage in this situation. The Low Rider S is a practical urban motorbike since its maximum power and torque are produced at less than 5,000 revolutions per minute. However, it also has the power to compete with middleweight sports bikes made by Kawasaki and Honda. It's no surprise that this speedy yet vintage American cruiser is so well liked, particularly by former sports bikers who wish to experience the Harley-Davidson experience. The Harley-Davidson Low Rider S is priced at $20,000 and features a V-twin engine with oil-air cooling and an engine displacement of 1,923 cc. It delivers 103 horsepower and 125 pound-feet of torque, coupled with a 6-speed transmission. The motorcycle has a curb weight of 679 pounds. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for new upcoming videos of motorcycles. Thanks for watching.